Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. How y'all doing? Yeah. So I am super uber excited about today's video because you guys, this is going to be the retake of my Loc Love story. So yes, your girl decided to go back and do her locks, but this time I'm going to make daggone sure that I take my time. I'm just not going to go out there and just jump into it like I did the first time and then like I did the second time. Although the first time I did take time and I did think about it, was something that I really wanted. I think when I installed the locks, it was done impulsively, and that's just the wrong thing to do. So I don't want to make the same mistakes that I made the first two times around. So basically what I'm doing, because I know you guys see my hair and you're probably like, okay, those don't look like locks. Absolutely. This is going to be a slow transitional process for me because I just want to do it right. You know, I want to do it right. I feel good about wanting to reinstall the locks, and I want to do it for all the right reasons. As you guys probably know in my previous video, which you guys will probably see a card somewhere at the top, I did not do my first set of locks for all the right reasons. So this time I want to make sure that your girl definitely do so. So with that being said, these spring twists that I currently have in my hair, these are going to help prepare me. So as you guys know, I had a tapered haircut, which means that my locks were a variety of different lengths. And although it could have been cute, it's just that I don't have the density that one needs to really just make, for me to just really have felt good about my first set of locks. So these mini twists is definitely, I'm sorry, mini twists. These spring twists is just to kind of help me kind of grow my hair out a little bit, get just a little bit more length than what I had initially, and also kind of just thicken my hair just a tad bit. So I am taking steps to make sure that I am able to do those things. So this is just the first step in the process. Grow a little bit more length out than what I had before. So length. So that's what the main focus is. So what have I been using in addition to having this type of protective style? I am still utilizing that wild hair growth oil. Y'all, this is the first step of my Loc Love story. So I hope you guys continue to follow me on this here journey. Again, like I mentioned before, it's going to be a slow transitional process, but it's definitely going to happen. You guys will see me with locks again extremely soon. So thank you guys for being a support system for me, encouraging me, giving me some great suggestions, sharing your opinions. I definitely appreciate it. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches. Mwah.